What you need to get started: new grip face, scraper, xylene, a towel, orbital sander, 80 grit sandpaper, 91% alcohol, and a lint-free cloth. Start at one corner and use the scraper to remove the old grip face. Place the plate face down on a xylene-soaked towel for 30 minutes to remove excess glue. After soaking in xylene, scrape away any remaining glue from the plate. Turn the machine over or lay it back to abrade the plate using an orbital sander with 80 grit sandpaper. Clean the plate with 91% alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Let the plate dry for at least 5 minutes. Remove the back liner of the new grip face 2 inches from the long edge and fold it over. Evenly line up the exposed area against the long edge of the plate. Smooth evenly while slowly pulling the liner until completely removed. Press firmly around all areas of the grip face. Set the machine upright on a driver pad for 24 hours with the machine weights before using.